Imagine a world where your sneeze could land you in jail. In 18th century England, if you sneezed in public and failed to cover your mouth, you could be fined. This bizarre regulation aimed to maintain public decorum and hygiene in overcrowded streets. Diseases spread like wildfire, and public health was a hot topic. Enter Sir John Hill, a physician who championed these laws. He argued that a simple sneeze could spread germs. So the sneezing law was born: sneeze without a handkerchief and face a fine. Public shaming was possible for those caught, reflecting a society grappling with emerging ideas about health. What do you think? Would you follow such a law today?